Yeah, so this is a butchery in the village. Hello, today I'm showing you our pig farm. So the main reason we have pigs is, one, I wanted to manure my farm because you can see I have other kind of plantations like dragon, pineapples and apples. So we needed manure first. Then we started slaughtering and selling meat to our community. Yeah, so it has been income generating kind of a business whereby we keep them, they give us manure, and also we eat the meat. I love bacons and pork. And also we're able to sell to other people within the community and also far from the community. You have seen our video whereby we pack and ship the meat to people living far from here. Yeah, so it has been an amazing journey. Even though we are thinking about changing the breed, we get a breed that is a bit faster in growth and all that. So these are this is the water they drink, so we have miracles. Yeah, so hey. So this is where we put our manure. That is the waste from the pig. and then we put it in our farms, and that's how we are able to have healthy plants. Yeah, like that one is an avocado tree, this is a banana tree. You can see how healthy it is. So we're able to use the manure instead of chemicals, and that makes me happy when I eat something that I did not farm using the manure. Another thing is the fruits that are growing near this house are always so healthy. See this, these are passion fruits. You see how they are so healthy, and we have not added anything. Yeah, so it's a great way of keeping things healthy and not harmful. And these are pineapples, not pineapples, so these are apple trees. You can see they are flowering. Yeah, so that's our farm, and I love living an off-grid life. Yeah, so this is a butchery in the village. Yeah, so these are the machines we use for cutting the bones. This is our kilo we use to measure how many kg you want. That's another one, a manual one. And this is the meat. Yeah, so low, I think it should not have the blood. You are told to clean it. So as you just bring water. So most of the things we do in the villages, we try to farm and raise goats, cows, sheep, pigs and chicken, so that we're able to sell the meat and also be able to eat some of it. Remember, it's all about self-sufficiency. Yeah, so where you sell and you eat some of it. That one?
Are you taking the whole pig?
Yes, she is taking the whole pig.
Who's taking the whole pig?
Wajuma
Oh my goodness.
and her friends.
She's become a good customer.
And her friends. No, this one should. Anyway, maybe this one.
Cut it in half?
Yeah. Umezima. Unga nyama sasa tupike huku. Sina unalala huku. Hiyo ni 4. Tunataka kwenda kwa nani?
Wapi?
Kwa Juma.
Unaenda sasa hivi?
Nani Eric ndiye anaenda.
Oh. Hapa ni sasa ni
Soko.
Imeenda ama
Bado. Oh.
hapa ni Nyeri. Hapa ni Nyeri.
Hapo ni Nyeri.
Nyeri ndio iko na chakula hivi ama Meru.
Huyu ananichanganya hapa.
Acha mimi nipike huko juu.
kuna kingine hapa.
Ndio hiyo nimepata, ndio hiyo. Sorry. Sio. Haya kuli. Mimi msiwekee mtu.